Hello and welcome. This video invites you to consider becoming part of the Savvy Elderhood Movement. The movement is about updating our understanding of the possibilities available to us as we age. Getting old, or being told to be old, is seldom a compliment in our American culture. The Savvy Elderhood Movement holds those years after 50 as worthy of honor and respect for all who qualify as savvy elders. Savvy elders do not do aging by default or assume that all the things we are told happen as a part of aging have to be true in our case. Instead, we use our mindset, our habits, and our internal guidance to live a healthy, wealthy, and love-filled life much, much longer than the national average. Accepting this invitation comes in three parts. The first part, we ask you to consider deciding to live a long, healthy, wealthy, happy, satisfied, and fulfilled life. It's not too late to make that decision. The second part is you must determine what must be in place to make that decision to live a long life a reality that you would enjoy. Most of us begin with good health, financial freedom, and satisfying relationships. But anything else, it's up for you to decide what you're going to include in your long, healthy, happy life. The third step is the one that distinguishes us from other lifetime learners and never-ending personal development groups. We cultivate and depend on an internal spiritual guidance system to help us make our life decisions. Now, savvy elders are living proof that this stage of life can be superior in several ways to all that has come before. Our personalized guidance is what gives us this advantage. It's what puts the savvy in savvy elderhood. The dictionary tells us that savvy means making wise choices and sound decisions. Elder means an older person, especially someone worthy of respect. Now, once a person makes the connection and establishes a relationship with their guidance, their choices and decisions will earn them respect and bring them honor in our society. Here's what I mean. We know eating good food and exercising is essential to maintaining good health. We also know that people who are making choices about their exercise and diet are oftentimes finding out that the things that they thought were making them healthy are making them sick or causing them injuries. Savvy elders use their guidance to select the diet and exercise programs that meet their specific needs. In this way, we avoid those diets and programs that produce unintended results. Now, I'm not saying that savvy elders are never diagnosed with a chronic illness. However, in those cases, the guidance they receive provides significant advantages in their healing and in their recovery. Now, stress over finances is one of the biggest causes of premature aging going. Savvy elders are typically guided into favorable financial positions soon after they begin following the guidance. Regarding independence and self-reliance, now the look and feel of a savvy elder's independence and self-sufficiency may change over time, but their freedom and independence never falter. When we think of artificial intelligence, AI, cryptocurrency, nanotechnology, 5G technology, 3D printing, and other technologies that did not exist during our school years, we can empathize with those who are experiencing overwhelm with all the technology we have to contend with. Following the guidance makes it surprisingly easy for savvy elders to integrate these tech advantages into our lives. And many of the savvy elders I know have had some substantial financial benefits from just adopting these new technologies when they became available. The guidance savvy elders receive doesn't just deal with solving problems. This guidance is exceptional at making long-held dreams and your heart's desires your reality. We hear stories of this over and over and over again, and we have a saying, you can't make this stuff up. We say that the second half of life begins at age 60. It only takes a few experiences of the benefits of following your guidance to realize that the best of life is really just beginning. We explain the mechanics and the how-tos of all of this in the introductory workshop. Now, the workshop does consist of 4 sessions, and each session is 90 minutes and they're scheduled a week apart. The first session provides an overview of how the guidance in being a savvy elder works in your day-to-day life. The second session focuses on using your guidance for your health. The third deals with being guided about your money and your finances. And the final session is about relationships, your life vision, your legacy, and your further participation in the Savvy Elderhood Movement. Now, each session does include a lecture, a discussion. There will be a time for questions and answers. But more importantly, there will be experiential exercises where you will get a chance to sample what it's like to be in connection with your personal guidance. Now, there'll also be homework assigned for you to complete between sessions. So this is where the real payoff of doing the work shows up. When you do the homework, you will have the benefits and you will have something to share at the next meeting. Now, your paid registration is $97 for all 4 sessions, and this entitles you to bring a guest to every session for no additional charge. Now, some will have a friend that'll go through all 4 sessions with them. Some will bring someone different to each session, and some will just have their friend, pay half of it, and then they'll just be partners. It doesn't matter. We're really wanting to have this exposed to as many people as possible. And since you are registered, you get to participate in that in any way that you see fit. Oh, by the way, I'm Austin Grady. I am the father of the Savvy Elderhood Movement, and I'll be your facilitator for your introductory workshop series. I am a certified age reversal and longevity coach, and I promise you, you will have insights and fun in every session. The important thing is, at the end of the series, you will be engaging with your guidance. And this engagement becomes more powerful and more effective the more frequently and consistently you use it. Registration is on the page below. Now, don't forget to invite a friend. The between session homework is much better when you share the experience with a friend. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.